Hello everyone and welcome to the Week 2 discussion, Online Presence and Expectations. This week we want you to reflect on your experience being a student in either face-to-face course or an online course. We want you to discuss any frustrations or confusions you may have experienced regarding the instructor's presence or their expectations. So in particular, we want you to pay attention to the presence that an instructor had in an online course setting if you've experienced that. We would also like you to discuss what you might do to avoid these frustrations and confusions for your online students. So essentially what we'd like is for you to center the discussion around avoiding these pitfalls, making sure that you have clear expectations, clear communication with your online students, and also how you would ensure that you maintain a strong online presence for your courses. If you have any questions about how to participate in this VoiceThread app, please contact either myself or Jen Pachenko. We'd be happy to help you out. We'd like you to learn how to utilize these new interactive technologies. We look forward to helping you and look forward to the discussion. Have a great week, guys.